Hello again. This is Mitch from HatcheryManager.com. Welcome to part 2 of our video demonstration series. In part 1, we showed how to look up a customer and place an order. In this video, we'll show you how to research and look into the details of previous orders that customers have placed. Here we are on the All Orders screen. We've just placed the order for John Smith, order number 604. We're going to click on that order number and it'll take us to the customer orders page for John Smith. The other way to do that is to click the customer orders link whenever you have a current customer. When we clicked on 604, it brought the order details up for that order, and here's a list of John's previous orders. Here on the order details, we can see the date and time the order was placed, the source of that order, the shipping date, the subtotal, the shipping cost, and the grand total. We can see in red that there is an amount due for this order. Here under the More button is a feature we're really excited about, a link to an automatically generated NPIP VS9-3 form. When you click that, you'll get a PDF copy of the 9-3 form that you can file with your state NPIP state reviewer. This is a wonderful feature that will save you a lot of time and paperwork. When you sign up for the system, we can arrange to have these forms automatically emailed to your NPIP reviewer. Here in the details, we've got several tabs to look at. The Items tab lists the items that are in the order, the SKU, the sex, the name of the bird, the quantity, the price, and the notes that we entered when we made the order. This order is scheduled to ship on 10/26. Let's go ahead and change that shipping date by clicking the button. We'll get a list of dates on which all of the birds in this order are available based on what we've entered. We'll see how to enter those availability figures in another video. Let's change the shipping date to 10/12. If we were to click the All Dates button, we would get a list of all the hatch dates we've defined, regardless of whether or not there are enough available. But let's stick with the available dates for now. Change the date to October 12th, and you can see the change has been made in the order reflected on the screen. Clicking over to the Shipping tab, we can see the shipping details, the shipping address, the summary of the shipping cost, and the shipping method. When we click over to Payments, we see the same order summary we saw in the previous video. There aren't any payments because this order has an amount due, and at some point, John can call and make a credit card payment or perhaps mail in a check. On the Notes tab, we see notes about the order that help you keep track on what is going on with the order. When we place the order, there is a note for us that emailed an order confirmation to John Smith. You can see here that the note was customer visible and the date and time the note was created. This is how you can communicate with your customer using email about this specific order. Let's go ahead and add a note to this order. We need to choose from a couple options: who wrote the note and whether or not the customer is allowed to see it. Now we have two options. We can just add the note and record it on the order, or we can add it and email it to the customer. Let's choose that one. Now you can see that the list of notes has been updated. Here's the note text, and you can see it was emailed to the customer today. This is an easy way to correspond with your customer about a specific order. That's the end of this video, which demonstrates how you can research and look up orders that the customer has placed. In the next video, we'll look at the availability screen and how you enter eggs set and hatched and manage the availability of your birds. Thanks for watching.